Hello students, today we are starting unit 6 and the topic we are going to study is data mining process under the subject database management system. Till now we have learned about databases, data warehouses and data mining. Now we will understand how data mining is actually done step by step. This topic is very important for understanding how raw data is converted into useful information. Introduction to data mining process. Data mining process is a step-by-step method. It is used to extract useful information from large data. Students, data mining is not done in one step. It follows proper process which we call the data mining process. This process explains how data is collected, how it is cleaned, and how useful patterns are found. The main purpose of this process is to analyze data, predict future results, and help organizations to make correct decisions. Data mining process is steps to find useful knowledge from the data. This is a diagram of data mining process. This diagram shows the flow of data mining process. Let us understand each step by step. First step is data collection. In this step, data is collected from different sources such as databases, data warehouses, files, and online system. Example: student details from college database, sales data from shopping websites. This data is usually raw and unorganized. Second step is data cleaning. Here, unwanted data is removed, such as duplicate data, missing value, and incorrect entries. Data cleaning is important because wrong data gives wrong result. Data integration. In this step, data from different sources is combined into one place. Example: data student personal details from one database, student marks from another database. These are integrated into single dataset. This makes data complete and consistent. Next one is data selection. Not all data is useful, so in this step only required data is selected. If we want to analyze student performance, we select mark, attendance and ignore address or phone number. Next one is data mining. This is a main step of data mining process. In this step, data mining techniques are applied: classification, clustering, association and regression. Using this technique, we find pattern recognition and what is pattern evaluation? It is not all patterns are useful. In this step, important patterns are selected, useless patterns are removed. This helps us focus only on meaningful result. This makes the result is easy to understand for users and managers. So students, today we study the data mining process, which explain how useful knowledge is extracted from large data. Thank you.